Data bars help you to spot larger and smaller numbers. To inset data bars, select the range. On the Home menu, in Styles group, click on the conditional formatting icon. Select data bars from the drop-down menu. There are two types of data bars, gradient fill and solid fill. Both gradient fill and solid fill work the same way. Select the light blue data bars color option from the gradient fill menu. Now, all of the cells have a blue bar. Jones has the highest value 95, so the bar fills the entire cell. The other bars are scaled relative to the highest value and 0 by default. Sorvino has the lowest value, 10, so this is the shortest bar. Though, it is larger than 0, so there is still a small bar. Let's see what happens if we add a 0 value. Now, the Andrews has a value of 0, so this becomes an invisible minimum bar. Let's see what happens if we type a negative value. The red bar is showing negative value. Notice that all the other bars have now moved to right side and you can see a 0 line. To clear rules, select the range, go to conditional formatting, from the drop-down menu, pick clear rules, click clear rules from selected cells.